The backlog of cases before the Supreme Court is described as a perennial issue that ultimately affects the pace at which the justice system grinds. For several years, this concern has been raised by the bar, the bench, and the Attorney General during the ceremonial opening of the legal calendar. Seeking to alleviate the problem, the United States government is sponsoring what is being called a backlog reduction program, and the first order of business was a donation of equipment to the Belize Judiciary.
Indeed, there is no doubt that the criminal justice system is in urgent need of reformation and modernization in order to improve both the quantity and quality of justice that is delivered. Towards this end, I am fully committed to providing the requisite leadership and build upon the foundation laid by my predecessors. In the face of constraints, thankfully, over the years, there have been a number of initiatives by the embassy at the invitation of the government of Belize, which supported the judiciary. More recently, there have been additional efforts by the embassy aimed at contributing to the improvement of the criminal justice system in Belize.
There has been a 42% reduction in unresolved matters before the courts. According to the Registrar of the Supreme Court and Court of Appeal, this was made possible with help from the Commonwealth Secretariat.
Part of what assisted us is, in fact, the temporary judges that were given to us through the Commonwealth Secretariat. So with their assistance, we have been able to reduce significantly a lot of the criminal matters that are presently before the court.
Chief Justice Louise Blenman reiterated the importance of timely judgments and what they mean to the effective dispensation of justice.
If criminals are not brought to justice in a timely, effective, fair, and efficient manner, persons will lose confidence in the justice system. If this has not to some extent occurred, however, in my view, all is not lost. In order to restore more public confidence in the criminal justice system, both the quality and the quantity of justice must improve in the immediate future. It is critical that litigants are provided with easy access to justice that is fair and efficient, failing which fundamental rights may be impacted.
The partnership between the government of Belize and the U.S. Embassy, where the justice system is concerned, has spanned the past 6 years. Chargé d'Affaires Leila Moses Onesh speaks on the joint effort between both countries.
We have been partnering through INL's auspices with the Belizean judiciary sector since 2016. It's been a long and fruitful partnership. The current program aims to reduce the criminal case backlog through supporting legislative reform and, as the Chief Justice said, the development and enhancement of a case management system that rests on modern digital technologies. The office and computer equipment that we're providing today represents our continued support in addressing processing efficiencies. And this equipment is valued at over $280,000 US, and it represents an investment not only in the courts, but sort of a spiritual investment in swift justice that means so much, as the Chief Justice says, not only for Belizean communities, but for the broader implication in the country's stability and economic prosperity.
Reporting for News 5, I am Isana Cayetano.